Jackson. Pinasa kay Sordito. Jackson and counter foul. Pinasa kay Magdalene. To Carlos, to Perez. To Perez, good for 2 points. Pinasa kay Rosalado. Kay Jackson. Nice play. 2 points plus. Arjole. Sumalaksak. Good for 2 points. Rebound. Nagmamadali. Rasunade. Good for 2 points. Pinasa Kanilaw. Blast. Good for 2 points. Last 8 seconds. Last 5. Good. Ibang by Arjole. Fast break. Carlos. Good for 2 points. Nasa kay Panay. Black. Sornito. Easy layup by Sornito. Last 20 seconds. 4-3. Last.
Welcome to my channel.
Before we start, make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on my latest uploads. Let's start.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Basketballers.
Rasunade. Naghahanap mapasahan, pinasa kay Sordito. Sordito, pinasa kay Jackson. Pinasa kay Arangulo. Ngunit natus. Binali kay Belen, for layup. Not good. Ibang kay Mendoza, kay Jackson. Pinasa kay Sordito, pass break. Rasunade. At Jordan Lita. Pinasa kay Liao. At Julen. Rebound by Arangulo. Pinasa kay Mendoza. Sordito. Easy layup by Sordito. Second shot clock. Carlos for 3. Rebound by Jackson. Diniretso, pasok. Pinasa kay Belen. Belen naghanap saan kay Blas. Kay Leo pinasa. Arjole. Last 5 seconds shot clock. Naagaw ni Arjole. Good for 2 points. Arjole. Pinasa kay Sordito. Jackson. No good. Nag-aagaw ng rebound. Arjole mukhang may diretso. Ngunit naagaw ang bola. Rasunade. Nagmamadali. Step sa Arangulo. Jackson. Foul jersey ng last 13 seconds shot clock. Arangulo for 3. I make. Not good. 2 points lang. 2 points. Belen. Pinasa kay Blas. Leo, jump shot. Good. Rebound by Carlos. Leo ulit ang bolas. Pinasa kay Arjole, ngunit malakas. Arangulo ulit rebound. Pinasa kay Sordito. Easy layup by Sordito. 3 minutos. Belen. Pinasa kay Carlos. For 3, malakas. Jackson for the rebound. Kaya tawid na ang bola, nagmamadali. Diniretso, easy layup. Good for 2 points by Jackson. Steal by Jackson. Mendoza. Silva. Rebound by Arangulo. Pass na sinabi. Pass na sinabi. Pinasa kay Mendoza. Time out. Time out rin. Belen. Pinasa kay Liao. Pinasa kay Carlos. Last. Pinasa kay Belen. Tumira. Good for 2 points by Belen. Jackson. Pinasa kay Sugito. No good. Rebound by Liao. Arjule. Last 10 second shot clock. Last 5. Arambulo. Pinasa kay Carlos. Arambulo. Pinasa kay Jackson. Jackson. Yes. Fast break play by Thunders. Good for 2 points. Arambulo. Jackson. Pasinabi for 3. Pinasa kay Carlos. Liao. Fast break play. Presilio. Sornito. Easy layup by Sornito. Pinasa kay Arjule. Arjule on fake. Pinasa kay Liao. Blast. Good for 2 points. Last 50 seconds for the first quarter. Arambulo. Rebound by Sornito. Pinasa kay Mendoza. 4-3. No good. Last 35 seconds. Rebound by Mendoza. Jackson. Last 30 seconds. Jackson. No good. Last 20 seconds. 4-3. Last 13 seconds. Wala na itong sakta. Wala na sakta. Last 8 seconds. Last 5. Good. Balmosena, Tupalay. Jackson with the rebound. Nagmamadali. Russell Nabi. Good for 2 points. Pinasa ng Telegreg, very captured. No good. Rebound by Balmosena. Pinasa kay Balay. Black. Sornito. Easy layup by Sornito. Telegreg, pinasa kay Arjulin. Mondialegre. Push. Arambulo. Sornito. Sornito balik kay Arambulo. Pass to Arambulo ulit. Jackson, one shot. Good for 2 points. 24. Arjole. Pinasa kay Palay. Fake. Balmosena. Good for 2 points. Last 10 second shot clock. Jackson. Montealegre. Pinasa kay Perez. Montealegre to Perez. Arjule. Driving the ball. Arablo. Humihingi ng screen. Pinasa kay Rasulabi. Jackson. 12 seconds to shoot. Traveling violation. Arjule for 3. Rebound by Arambulo. Pinasa kay Arambulo. To Sornito. free throw. Good for 1 point. Last shot. Arjole, sumalaksak. Good for 2 points. Pinasa kay Rosanado. Kay Jackson. Nice play. 2 points for Zuniga. Alegre to Perez. Pinasa kay Alegre. Kay Palay. No good. Rebound by Jackson. Sorbito. Arambulo. Naghanap mo pasahan. Pinasa kay Arambulo. Sumalaksak. Foul by jersey number 3. Unang free throw kay Arambulo. Pinigay kay Alegre. Beli kay Perez. Perez, pinasa kay Arjole. Shot clock, 13 seconds. Good for Lato. Second free throw. Good for 1. Arambulo. Pinasa kay Arambulo. Sorbito. Pinasa kay Jackson. Kay Arambulo. Jackson, nakakuha ng bola. Arambulo. Napitawa. Nakuha kay Palay. Pinasa. Rasunado. Dire-diretso. Good for 2 points. Left by Lucena. Lucena to the Alegre. Arjole. Rebound by Perez. Palay. Steal by Arambulo. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds. Rebound by Arambulo. Pinasa kay Sornito. Sornito to Rosanado. Nabitawan. Nakuha. 7 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds. 2. Sornito to steal. Last 1 minute. Rasunado. Nice block by Perez. Pinasa kay seconds. Palay. No good. Arambulo. Last 45 seconds. Clock. Arambulo. Rebound by Valenzuela. Last 30 seconds. No good. Rebound by Rosanado. Last 25 seconds. Sornito. No good. Perez. Last 16 seconds. Valenzuela. Alegre. Last 10 seconds. Arjole for 2. No good. Last 4 seconds. 1. End of second quarter. Sornito. Pinasa kay Mendoza. Last 15 seconds shot clock. Last 10 seconds. Arambulo. No good. Perez. Rebound. Belen. Good for 2 points. Last 14 seconds shot clock. Sornito. Steal by Harjulen. Harjulen. Pinasa kay Carlos. Rebound by Arambulo. Arambulo. Pinasa kay Arambulo. Binalik kay Arambulo for 3. No good. Pinasa kay Carlos. Carlos to Blas. To Harjulen. Good. No good. Nabi. Nabi. Pinasa kay Mendoza. No good. Steal by Rasunabi. Rasunabi nagmamadali. No good. Belen. Pinasa kay Perez. Kumuha ng pick. And foul. So then, good for 2 points. Score natin, 24-30. 6 points na lang ang kalamangan ng Tres Niños. Pinasa kay Rasunabi. Good for no good. Pinasa kay Carlos for 3. Good for 3 points. Ano, Tre? Arambulo, pinasa kay Rasunabi. Mendoza, good for 2 points. By Mendoza. Pinasa kay Monterrey. To Carlos, to Perez. To Perez, good for 2 points. Arambulo. Sumayap siya. Good, di mo ba yan? Carlos, naagaw ni Jackson. Jackson. Pinasa kay Sornito. Jackson. And counter foul. And 1. Jackson, good for 1 point. Carlos. Last 15 seconds shot clock. Last 10. Rebound by Arambulo. To Harjulen. No. Pinapatay ni Carlos. To Rasunabi. For 3 points. No good. Rebound by Harjulen. Pass break. Carlos. Good for 2 points. To Jackson. Jackson. To Arambulo. Arambulo. No good. Rebound by Blas. To Harjulen. To Carlos. Jackson. To Mendoza. To Rasunabi. To Sornito. No good. Rebound. Montealegre. To Harjulen. Good for 2 points. Jackson. Last 12 seconds shot clock. Last 10. Traveling violation. As a blast. Perez. Sornito. Foul. No good. Rasunabi. Pinasa kay Arambulo. Arambulo. No good. Rebound by Perez. To Pala. Pala ay Montealegre. Sornito. No, shot clock, last 15 seconds. Meron pa shot clock, Jackson, jump shot. No good. Sornito, to Palay. Last 8 seconds. Last 5 seconds. Jersey number 25. 4 seconds na lang po ang 9 remaining. 1.4 seconds. Good for 1 point. Score natin 33-38 in favor of Tres Niños. Back to Balsena. To Harjulen. Derek Balsena. No good. Ipang Mendoza. Sormito. Fast break. Good for 2 points. Perez to Harjulen. Harjulen to Mike. Perez. And foul by jersey. First free throw. No. Last 15 seconds shot clock. Arambo to Jackson. Last 10 seconds shot clock. Good for 2 points. Harjulen. Counted foul. Jersey number. Good for 1 point kay Harjulen. Kasunod ito Sormito. Sormito. Back to Sanaki. Steve. Mendoza. Good for 2 points. Blacks may hawak ng bola. Pinasa kay Balmosena. To Perez. Back to Blas. Blas. Last 8 seconds. Foul. Good for 1 point. 7:44. Your fourth quarter. Jackson. Jackson. Pinasa kay Arambulo. Arambulo. Pinasa kay Mendoza. No good. Rebound by Perez. Blacks. Arambulo. Last 13 seconds shot clock. Jackson. Good for 2 points. Harjulen. Arambulo. Arambulo. Block. Nakuha na sinabi. Last 14 seconds shot clock. Last 10. Last 6 seconds shot clock. 4. Jersey number 18. Good for 1 point. By Rasuna. Last 15 seconds shot clock. No good. Rebound by Carlos. Good for 2 points. Nagmamadali. Arambulo sumalaksak. No good. Rebound by Blas. Harjulen. Harjulen naghaharap ng pasahan. Behind the back. Rasinabe. Harjulen. And a foul. 53 seconds. Blas. Tuliao. Rasinabe. Liao. Sinasakalat Carlos. Belen. Good for 2 points. Arambulo may hawak ng bola. Arambulo. Last 15 seconds shot clock. Last 10. Steal by Carlos. Carlos. Rebound by Jackson. To Mendoza. Arambulo. To Jackson. Good for 2 points. Ang paborito. Bola pinasa kay Harjulen. For 3. No good. Rebound by Mendoza. Mendoza pass, big pass. Kay Sormito. to Jackson. And Nala. To Mendoza for 3. Good for 3 points. For 3, no good. Rebound by Jackson. Jackson. 154. Arambulo, hindi na. Jackson for 3. No good. Rebound by Mendoza. Mendoza, good for 2 points. Last 2 minutes and 52 seconds. Carlos, easy 2 points para kay Carlos. Rasonabe. Rasonabe. Pinasa kay Mendoza for 3. No good. Rebound by Blas. To Arjulen, easy 2 points kay Arjulen. 45 shot clock. Last 10. Arambulo for 3, no good. Rebound by Blas. To Blas. To Arjulen. Arjulen. No good. Rebound by Sornito. To Arambulo. 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 Last 5 seconds shot clock. Last 3. Perez. No good. Last 45 seconds. To Arambulo. Arambulo. For 3. No good. Last 30 seconds. Rebound by Balmocen. Rasonabe. Last 20 seconds. Final score 45-56.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Basketballers.